Behind me, you can see we've got all the windows out, doors out. We've got new ones ordered. We're working on some new detailing for the upper floor siding. You can see we've started to remove some of the gable end details. That's about it for the outside. We removed some stuff in the porta-court. All right, we are now inside the house. I'm standing on one of the many beams that will be getting installed into this home to transform this layout into something different and awesome. So here, this wall is gonna magically disappear over the next 3 to 4 weeks, I hope. The other major undertaking that we're doing is removing this point load over here, which is gonna be a huge effort all into its own. Let's go downstairs and see what the team is working on right now. I know they are hard at work. I can hear them working away down there. All right, so above me is where the team have been putting in a new beam. It is this smaller one right here. Again, when we're trying to move walls and make changes in a home, we've got to bring point loads down to solid bearing. And this is done through the use of posts and beams. Sometimes the beams are this kind of striated looking stuff, which is called a paralam. Sometimes it's steel. Sometimes you can just do it out of dimensional lumber and do 2 or 3 plies, and that can still be considered a beam. It's unusual in this day and age. A lot of spec engineered lumber, and people want longer and more open spaces, which is what requires that engineered lumber. We finally figured out the footing details for or pad, if you want to call them, pad footing details for the new point loads that are coming down. That happened on Monday. So we are now just looking to get ready to order the steel because everything has to be so precise. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a great day.